Know Your Manipur, a program that explores important and hidden tourist spots of Manipur.
Hi, I'm your host Nancy Salam, right here at the western gate of the Sacred Kangla, eager to take you on a journey to the beautiful places of Manipur. We all know the COVID-19 pandemic has had a massive social and economic impact. And to set the process of recovery and growth rolling, many, including the World Tourism Organization, see tourism as the answer. Why? Because tourism is one of the world's most important mixed sectors, employing 1 in every 10 persons on Earth and providing livelihoods to hundreds. Tourism creates jobs, promotes local culture and products, works in the sustainable use and management of the environment, and improves ways to make tourism an inclusive experience for all. In fact, Tourism for Inclusive Growth is the theme of this year's World Tourism Day. Today, I'm going to take you to an exciting trip. It is a virgin tourist spot unspoiled by man. You wouldn't believe it's in Manipur. You would wonder how come such an enchanting spot could have remained unknown so long. Let me give you a hint. It's about 70-meter drop waterfall situated at about 1,500 meters above sea level, and it's in Kangpokpi district. Enough of the yapping. Let's hit the road. Come on.
The team began the journey towards Malanzai Waterfall from the eastern gate of Kangla, situated at the heart of Imphal city.
Come on, let's go!
The distance between Imphal and Kangpokpi is 47 kilometers and would roughly take an hour to reach Kangpokpi town. Along the way, Sekmai Bazaar will be the first town the team will stop at. After Sekmai, the next tourist attraction is the Kangla Tombi War Memorial.
This is the one-stop shop of Sekmai, And you can get everything from here. From ngari, garlic, bread, then yes, pepper plate, sunflower seeds, knife, and jarab. Two. Yes, water. Sino ang review ba? Thank you. Malanzai is waiting for us. Come on, let's get going. This was the battlefield of the Battle of Imphal of the Second World War. During the siege of Imphal by the Japanese, the Imperial Japanese Army were running out of rations. So, they decided to attack the biggest depot of the Allied force, being guarded by the Indian Army Ordnance Corps.
The Japanese succeeded in capturing the depot. However, the fleeing Indian Army Corps burnt all of the rations before decamping. Allied force counterattacked after 2 weeks of the retreat and recaptured the depot, killing over 200 Japanese soldiers in the Battle of Kanglatombi. This is the only war memorial of the Indian Army Ordnance Corps.
This is the Kangpokpi town, and that's the main traffic point from where we have to take the left diversion to get onto the IT road and drive for about 17 kilometers to get on to the Haruk Kopi Nepali village. From there, we have to trek for about 25 to 30 minutes to reach the Malanzai Waterfall. Who is the custodian of the beautiful Malanzai Waterfall? How does that sound to you? Fun, isn't it? Come, we don't want to be late, do we? Let's go. Hi.
Hi, welcome. Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. Hi guys. We are pretty close to the Malanzai Waterfall and maybe around an hour off. So this is where the IT road ends for us. And we are taking the diversion to the waterfall. By the way, meet my friends, Romeo, Maitei, and Ranjan. Romeo is an adventurous sports professional, and Ranjan here has come to show us and introduce us like a very thrilling adventurous sports called waterfall rappelling. So, Tamil, Romeo, could you please tell us what is waterfall rappelling?
Okay, waterfall rappelling is a new concept in adventure sports. It's a combination of hiking, trekking, climbing, and rappelling down from the cliff. So, with the help of technical equipments like rappelling rope, seat harness, descender, When you're rappelling down, your right hand will be your braking. This will be used as a you can control the speed of rappelling down from the cliff, and your left hand will be used as to maintain your balance. So it's a very thrilling and very exciting adventure sport, I should say.
Okay, wow, can't wait to see. So from this, our next destination is the Harup Naga village, then to the Harup Kopu Nepali village. From there, we have to trek for about 30 minutes and cross a rapidly gushing stream, and then the Malanzai Fall. Okay, come, let's go.
After taking a diversion from IT Road towards the Harup Naga village of Kangpokpi, where Malanzai is located, it started raining unexpectedly. The drive uphill began giving unpleasant experiences as the road was unleveled and muddy. However, the team did not halt and continued with the journey. The rain worsened the condition of the road, eventually giving hurdles one after the other, also giving the team the fear of not being able to reach the destination on time. Despite the unpleasant experiences, the team could finally reach Harup Naga village. However, reaching Malanzai Waterfall did not seem likely anymore for this journey, as it was already dusk by then. the team headed back and planned to come back again.
Guys, remember I asked you who is the custodian of the beautiful Malanzai Waterfall? Yes, I'm gonna tell you who. The Haruk Naga village. Right now, I'm with the chairman of the village, Mr. Champion Tingnamai, and he's gonna tell us whether we would be able to make it to the waterfall before dark and whether we can cross the rapidly gushing stream. So, Chairman sir, thank you so much ko chak su phajana hauna thonga pizza bire na khoi se ngasi se lakpa da su khara thengdo khare ko aduna Chairman sir na waterfall da khoina chattu matam da hujik se mamdringa ni yobu ngamgadra adu haibiro khara
hoi khun sidi Malanzai chatbududi pung amma gumma challi adubu no khoi di tampak da laibani na pung amma hena chatkani adu ngisidi mamsu mam khrabani na hayeng oina nokoi ingtho asida lekraga adu ngisidi thengsu thenge nokoi chaladi magi view Malanzai Waterfall asisu fazana uroi aduna hayeng oina chatbuna fagni haina aidi hainingi
do hayeng kaigumba yengba ngamdrasu mathangda amuka ko laaga matang chaba amada yengba soidana lakchage do hajeninge. And thank you so much for the hospitality. Mathangda so ekhoina lakmu tamda same hospitality do adum phangani ekhoi thajaye. And thank you so much, and we will see you next time again. Bye.
Nabi dah nampak lah. Nabi berada. Đây là những này gì chỉ phần lên vừa rồi thì leo này đây nào ha gì chỉ gì mi cái hồn cái đâu này mấy chỉ có cái nào còn này thôi dạ thôi tôi cũng mà tôi qua cái nào okay men power use rồi tâm mà yes adu yes Yes. Ở đây nè. Đấy, làm gì? Ok. Ra đi. Yeah, quay ra đây. Bài cái tụng gì nghe đi. Bài cái tụng gì nghe rồi. Wow. Trời. Cái ngồi rồi. Muốn đi bao?
Guys, I'm keeping my fingers crossed. Hope we can make it to Malanzai this time. You know, after reaching this very place and moving to Kacha Road, because of the rain, it became unjeepable and we got stuck and had to return back after getting habitation to the nearest place without seeing the waterfall, because you know the water level rose to such extent that we could not cross. Let's hope it's crossable this time. The rain gone past by and hopefully the road is jeepable. And oh, this is where the IT road ends and where the diversion to the waterfall. Let's go.